I think the Disney announcement is a really exciting one and really shows the traction that we're getting with the digital vending machine and the power and pull of that platform. It's very attractive to merchants.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Bango CEO Paul Larbey. Paul, good to speak with you today. You've announced an agreement with Disney that's going to offer services using your digital vending machine. Tell us more about the deal and how it's going to work.
Yeah, great to be here and definitely an exciting announcement. And I think just to put it in the context, the digital vending machine is that the platform that we've been building at Bango that connects people who have a subscription services, so people like Disney, to people who want to sell those services through a channel, so be that a telco or a bank, and it's that platform that that brings the two together. So actually Disney is sort of not a new partner. We've integrated Disney technically into that. They've been one of the technically integrated merchants for almost 2 years now. We did our first launch with them with Telenet, actually, a member of the LGI group in Belgium, and we launched an entire service in only 4 weeks from start to finish. So the technical benefits of connecting into the digital vending machine have been, I think, clear for a long time. This latest announcement basically adds Disney into what we call our eDisti program. And that basically provides, if you like, commercial acceleration. So as well as technically being able to get access to a channel like a telco to resell their products, Disney has commercial access. So it basically gives us a preset of agreements that we've got that we can leverage with the telco. So with just one simple agreement with Bango, they not only get technical access, but also the ability to commercially resell the Disney Plus product. So this latest announcement is an expansion of the work we've been doing with Disney from the technical side onto that commercial side, which in effect allows us to offer what we call a pre-stocked digital vending machine to resellers such as telcos and banks.
And obviously a great brand to be associated with, Paul. So take us through the benefits that Disney's going to see from this.
Yeah, I think the nice thing about what we do with the digital vending machine is everybody in the ecosystem benefits. Consumers get more choice and more control. And the benefit for both Disney and the reseller is that they get to market a lot faster. So not only do we solve the technical challenge, we solve the commercial challenge as well. It means they need less legal resources. We have the standard commercial agreements. It's a simple legal signature with Bango gets that commercial agreement. So it removes the need to have to negotiate a deal, bring lawyers involved, sign additional contracts with additional partners. They already have an agreement with Bango. A simple extension to that agreement gets them the commercial access. So time to market is a big issue. And if you're somebody like Disney Plus trying to get access to new customers and use indirect channels for acquiring new customers, and that speed is really important. So really that's the power, and it allows both the telco and Disney to attract new customers, retain customers, and reduce churn. I think it really shows the power of that platform in the middle.
And can you lay out the additional benefits that Bango sees from this extended deal?
Yeah, so Bango will be benefiting a number of ways. We look at the revenue and the financially then, and obviously we're reselling that, so there's a small margin that we take on top. But really the important element is it gets the digital vending machine itself to revenue faster. One of the things we've talked about in the past is our frustration with we sign a deal and then there's a big gap before services launches. And generally at service launch, that's when we start generating our license revenue, which is our recurring revenue stream. What this does is shortcut that, because it takes one of the big obstacles out of that path, i.e. having to negotiate these commercial agreements. So it really shortcuts that and accelerates that time to revenue, and actually will bring new deals through the funnel faster because we can offer these services from launch. So it should accelerate new deal progress, and it should bring deals to revenue faster. And that's why for us, it's a really important deal. But really the big benefits will be seen in later this year in 2025 and beyond, as those deals start to accelerate and as those launches start to accelerate. So that's really where the benefit will really start to show. So really exciting deal, but really it's all about driving the future forward faster.
Looking more to the present, Paul, I believe you're out with results soon, so we are going to be chatting. So take us through what we can expect next from Bango.
Yeah, so on September 30th, we announced we're going to issue our interim results. We're doing an investor broadcast. That day will continue to give new news before and around then as it becomes available. I think the Disney announcement is a really exciting one and really shows the traction that we're getting with the digital vending machine and the power and pull of that platform. It's very attractive to merchants who are looking to find new ways to distribute their products. So hopefully lots of exciting news to come. Certainly lots of exciting activities, and yeah, we look forward to updating investors on September 30th.
Yeah, we look forward to chatting to you then, Paul. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Brilliant. Thanks. Nice to be here.
That's Bango CEO Paul Larbey.